Hello friends, this is Peter from Tech Analyst. Welcome to my channel. Those who are new to this channel, please do subscribe. Just below this video you'll find a subscribe button also share this to your trading friends. We'll start the video now. See, actually, as I told in my Telegram channel, I have sent a message that I'll be making day-to-day trading on what basis I took a trade and what basis I have given a trade in Telegram channel. I cannot go in depth in this because that can be taught in the classes, in my classes, but I may share a tidbits in this that will help you in your trading. Lot of knowledge you will gain on that. Okay, today we gave a three trade. Before sharing that three trade, I wanted to share a Friday's trade. What the Friday's trade we have given on Hero MotoCorp. We told it has formed a double top, okay, and daily time frame and weekly time frame. So those who are not seen that video, double top video, you please see that video. I have given a target of, I'll show you here, like around 3322 target, second target, and first target it has achieved already. 3341 was the first target, and breaking that level, see how strong fall it has given from the double top. The higher time frame double top formation, the higher range you may catch. The lower time frame double top you may catch the lower range. Okay, I'm not going to explain this Hero MotoCorp in detail. I'll just go to Bank Nifty today, and then other two trades I'll be sharing the details. So please see till the end, so you will learn lot of things, how to read the candle chart, how to read the buyer and seller main chart. I'm going to teach that in this video. Okay, on what basis we took a trade in the Bank Nifty. This is a 15-minute chart. In the 15 minutes and hourly chart also, it has a double top, one more line, just okay. You can see here one top was made in this point, one top, and the second top was here. Okay, second top was in this point. Okay, you can see double top. See here, after, in spite of market is booming, still I have given 128 points of target. 128 points I have set to book the profit in Bank Nifty. Why I have given that? Okay, in this area already it has a rejection in this point. After this rejection, seller took a control and bought the market till here. Okay, till this point the market, but seller bought the price down. After that again buyer took this price high. Today you can see after a three white soldier candle, after, so you see this is a smaller body, how buyer strength is showing here. Again it is a bigger body, how buyer strength is getting increased. Again a bigger candle than these previous two candle, how buyer strength got increased in these three candle. It made high and also break this swing high. Okay, so the buyer strength is showing clearly in this candle, so there was no seller strength at all in this candle. Okay, but after coming here, after touching the previous rejection, buyer lose their confidence to take this price higher than this. Okay, you can see a spinning top and undecisionness, the doji candle undecisionness, and then again the spinning top of undecisionness in the 15 minutes candle chart. So you can see the buyer doesn't have any strength to take the price further high. So this is purely for intraday. Okay, for daily, for positional trade, it has to give confirmation in the daily chart. Okay, daily chart or hourly chart. I'm showing you purely intraday trading. So from this point, actually I am supposed to give a trade at 24,130 something in this price, but by the time I wrote that, it has come to 24,090. On that price I have given a sell trade in the Bank Nifty. Okay, you can see here, I'm zooming the candle. So after undecision candle of 3 in the resistance point, already a top was there, so it formed a double top here. And then generally I told you all, after forming a double top, it will come, if there is a if there is no buyer strength, seller will take a control and it will come to the previous support zone and it will form a handle formation, and then the neck breakout will happen a cup with handle pattern. On these candle, this long wick candle, we took a trade and we made a profit, huge profit in this 24,156. We took some trade in this point in this candle, okay, after long wick. So we around it has gone to 350, some around yeah, 320 points. So around 200 points we got in this after upper bracket. But before that I have given a sell trade, okay. So we'll see the sell trade first, okay. See here, after this there is a second confirmation happened here. You can see after three spinning top there is a engulfing candle of previous candle. This shows the evening star candle. Those who are not seen my candlestick chart, how to read the candlestick, you can just go and watch that video, okay. See here, this third candle as formation was evening star candle. After this candle closing only I have given a trade. From there it has come till here around 62 something. I told to book a profit. By the time it has gone little high, so might be they have booked a profit around 20 because I have given to book here, because it may form a handle. Here it has a support also in this point. One more support was in this point, okay. So from here it may bounce. So I told to book a profit or trial your stop loss. Those who trial your stop loss, they also might have booked a decent profit in this. After the neck breakout it has gone high, okay. This is how we judged and took a trade. Before judging this, we see other aspect also, lot of aspect, accumulation, distribution, and lot of aspect we see. So those thing if I start explaining, it will go, my video will go lengthier. Those things we teach in my classes. Those who want to learn all this price action trading technical, you can join my classes and you can learn those things, okay. Now we'll go to Maruti. Yeah, you can see the Maruti. I have made a mistake in this before giving a trade. Generally, any stock, see here it has formed a channel. You can see the channel, first rejection, second rejection, third rejection, and fourth rejection here. So fifth, it has opened a gap up and it is coming down. It came down, okay. It coming down. So I had a made mistake. Generally, whenever it open gap up and coming down a long bearish candle, okay, it may break. I have to wait for one or two candle or three candle to confirm the trade. But before that, before closing one candle, I have given a trade. That mistake I have made in this trade, okay, because it has opened a gap up. It has broken the channel and opened a gap up and started falling. It is not going up, started falling. So this is a very negative signal. Whenever something opens up above the resistance or above the trend line, so when it is falling below the trend line and closing the candle below the trend line or below the support or resistance, it became a double confirmation on, because the support becomes a resistance. When support becomes a resistance, there is a high selling pressure will be there. This is what the price action says, okay. So I have to wait at least for second candle. I did not waited. This is purely my mistake. So after this, when it has hit a stop loss, I thought to give a trade, but I have not given any trade in this because already one stop loss has hit. So I closed this. The mistake what I have made, and even I have booked a loss in this, okay. I have put a stop loss and exited in this as given the stop loss to you all also, okay. Now we'll go to Reliance. What does Reliance, why did we took a Reliance trade? You can see in the Reliance chart support here, the factoring, I'll just explain one more support here. The market opened up nearby sub resistance and started falling a red candle, and in this candle I have given a trade because it is broken the swing. Another aspect I have seen to give this trade is accumulation and distribution, where the accumulation was happening, what the distribution was happening. As per the morning first candle, when I saw, there was around 13 lakh distribution was there, and only 3 lakh accumulation was there. It was showing huge negativity in this particular stock. Okay, but by the time when this candle was pulling up, suddenly after again when I visited that page and that chart, okay, suddenly it was showing opposite side. The 14,000 accumulation was there and distribution was showing around 3,000, 3 lakhs, sorry, 3 lakhs. 14 lakhs was the accumulation. Sudden changes on the data. So that made me some confusion. It is not confusion, actual trade was the negative. The data manipulation happens sometimes. This is happened many times. Sometimes happens this because this is trading. Nobody can judge 100% right accuracy. But based on your money management, risk management, your discipline on stop loss will save you all the trades. But you can make profit if you have right money management, risk management, and your discipline. Okay, see, after this candle it has come here. My first target was 2154, but it started pulling up and hit the stop loss. Okay, but still we saved with the stop loss. You have to think the stop loss is a shield for you, so it will never take off your all money. Okay, if you have right risk management and money management on that discipline, definitely you will trade on that discipline, and that discipline will save you like a shield. Okay, in these two trade we lost, but all the amount has regained with bank nifty. As per the trade I give 300 quantity. Based on the 300 quantity you can see 20,000 profit, today's profit. But based on your sizing of position you might have been booked your profit. If you doesn't have right money management and risk management, you might have been made loss today. If you had right money management and risk management, you might have been made profit today as per my trade, because we made profit today. So friends, hope you understood what I wanted to explain you in this. Thank you friends, thank you very much. See you with next video.